Hi there, my name is Ben McAwain, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Bushnell Legend T-series spotting scope. So this is the spotting scope that I use for my competitions, from rimfire up to centerfire. What I really love about this is you've got 15 magnification all the way up to 45, but the real key thing that I love about this scope is its first focal plane and it has a mil ret. What it means is that if you're shooting at a steel target, for example, and you can see a splash where someone has missed, whatever magnification you're on with this spotting scope, you can actually tell the shooter exactly, what angular adjustment they are away from the target and get them onto the target quicker. The exo barrier that Bushnell offer on this, which is a weatherproofing system they have, genuinely works really, really well. And there have been times where, a lot of kit is failing around the competition scene, and this has just stood up to all the rigours of the weather's thrown at it. One of the key features of this spotting scope is you've got adaptability with the Picatinny rails on the sides, both sides that is, and the top. But also on the bottom, you've got your standard tripod mount. You can fit an Arca rail onto that and put it onto your tripod, just slide it on very quickly. It's really adaptable, really versatile, and will basically go onto any mounting interface that you want it to. Another feature to mention is that it's got the straight eyepiece, so it's not an angled up one, it's nice and straight. It's also really lightweight, so if you want to use it for hunting or hill stalking, you can throw it in your bag, and it's a real nice compact shape compared to other spotting scopes that are a bit more straight and can come out long and are a bit awkward to put in the pack. I've got friends that have other offerings on the market that are 3 or 4 times the price of this, and once they look through it, I've got a friend that actually says it every time he looks through it, and he just goes, I don't know how they've managed to do this for such a price. So it just fits the bill for everything, and there are very, very few first focal plane spotting scopes on the market that are affordable and have a mil ret, which is so crucial for so many different types of shooting.